హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు డ్రీమ్ జాబ్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. ఈరోజు మనం రిఫ్రిజిరేషన్ అండ్ ఎయిర్ కండిషన్ ట్రేడ్ థియరీ సెమిస్టర్ 2 సంబంధించి క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇది ప్రీవియస్గా 2017 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. ఇది టోటల్గా 50 బిట్స్ ఐటీఐ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. ఈ 50 బిట్స్ కూడా మనం చూద్దాం. అండ్ ఏంటంటే ముందుగా మా యొక్క ఈ డ్రీమ్ జాబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి. అలాగే సపోజ్ వేరే ట్రేడ్స్ వాళ్ళు చూస్తే ఆర్ఎండ్ఏసీ వాళ్ళకి ఈ యొక్క వీడియో షేర్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్ ఐటీఐ మీద జాబ్స్ అనేది తీయటం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఆ జాబ్స్కి ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, చాలా ఉపయోగం కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ వీడియో పూర్తిగా చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ది, ది కంప్రెసర్ మోటార్ ఇన్ ఏ హెర్మెటికలీ సీల్డ్ కంప్రెసర్ ఈజ్ కూల్డ్ బై. ఎలా కూల్ అవుతుందంటే ఎయిర్ వల్ల కూల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, the screw compressor can be used for wet compression which refrigerants NH3 అంటే ammonia. And next, for large capacity and high volume flow rate the suitable compressor is centrifugal. Okay, answer is centrifugal. And next question, the main component of the centrifugal compressors are eye and impeller. The slip in case of three-phase induction motor in a range of 0.5 to 5%. 0.5 to 5%. High Starling torque induction motor for compressors are used which? ఇందులో ఏది కూడా కాదు. compressors. And next, the relationship between rotor speed n and frequency f and number of poles p is given the relationship 120 T 7 p. Answer. And next, the function of condenser in a refrigerator system is to conduct the superheated vaporized vapor refrigerant discharge by the compressor. Domestic refrigeration works on vapor compression cycle. Next, liquid receiver is installed in liquid line. The efficiency of water cooled condenser is higher than the air cooled condenser. Next question, the function of dryer in a refrigeration system is to remove the moisture from the refrigerant. Next, the dry compressions can be avoided by installing all of the methods can be used అంటే liquid section heat exchanger, accumulator, thermostatic expansion valve. The length and diameter of capillary tube are long and small. The expansion valve used in central air conducting plant should be thermostatic expansion valve. The drawback of automatic expansion valve is both A and C. అంటే increase in load increase the mass flow rate, increase in load decrease mass flow rate. During expansion in capillary tube enthalpy not change. Temporary fastening done by help of rivets. The power consumption of 1 TR window AC is in the range of 2 kilowatt to kilowatt to 2.5 kilowatt. Superheating in evaporator causes compressor power consumption to the HFC refrigerants have zero ODP. The HCFC refrigerant is R22. The HFC refrigerant is R134A. The main drawback of HC refrigerants is their flammability. The alternate refrigerants for R1 is R123. Next, Windows AC for cooling can be easily converted to heating mode by installing a four-way reversing valve. Brine is a solution of water and sodium chloride. In the condenser, the refrigerant first loses its sensible heat. The pipeline pressure drops in split AC are more compared to Windows AC because of long length of section and liquid lines. And next question. The lubricant oil used which R134A is polyester. PUF stands for polyurethane foam. Refrigerant R134A is non-flammable. In split AC, the indoor unit compressor of evaporate coil, blower and motor and air filter control panel supply and return air grills. Hissing or gargling noise is produced from its exit of capillary tube. And next question. The compressor of the car air conditioning system gets the drive from IC engine shaft. The condenser of a car AC is air cooled. The drive filter of Windows AC is installed in liquid line. The heel rejection capacity of the condenser should be higher than cooling capacity. The upcoming alternative refrigerants to be used in car air conducting system is R1234YF. The pressure testing of the following equipments in the plant is not necessary. Compressor. The isotropic refrigerant is R502. The refrigerant leaves the condenser as high pressure, high temperature saturated liquid. The thickness of fins used on condenser coil of Windows AC is about 0.2 nuns, 0.2 nun, and a loss in vacuum after 24 hours in standing vacuum test indicates the pressure of moisture leak in the system. Answer is both A and B. High pressure cutout is used which compressor? The lowest temperature which liquid refrigerants in vapor compression Refrigeration system occurs after expansion. A thermostatic expansion valve is used. A thermostatic expansion valve is used which central air conditioned system. The capacity of refrigeration plant is measured in TR. This is a part of vapor compressor system. Compressor. Undercharging a system Undercharging a system is reduced COP. This is the total question paper refrigerator and air condition semester 2 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. సో ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి. ఇది మీకు టెలిగ్రామ్ యాప్లో జాయిన్ అయితే మీరు ఈజీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఈ పీడిఎఫ్ని.